him a kiss. Like, I have that issue. Because I'm fucking short. I'm so short. It sucks. Oh my god! Scorpion! Scorpion, thank you so much! Hey, thank you! Oh man! Yeah, this is pork belly. This is pork belly. Like, cut up into pieces, sir, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit. Do I know how to make lumpia? Hell yeah! Hell yeah, I do. I mean, I should actually make it for Christmas, but like I'll need more pork mince. I mean, I have pork mince for my gyoza dumplings, but I wouldn't have enough for lumpia, which sucks, you know. Which really sucks. Alright, so we're gonna get this nice and brown, and then I'm just gonna season it, I think. So, by the way, this is Devil's pepper shaker. So it's Darth Vader, sir. Give me 1 second. I am enjoying my vacation, chaotic. America is so beautiful in winter. Like, why did you tell me, Chad? Why did you tell me like America is beautiful in winter? Like the falling snow and then like the snow and the ground. I mean, I will admit, like sometimes it's difficult for me to like walk like in the snow. I'm scared of tripping, but oh my god, it's so beautiful! Oh my god, scorpion! Scorpion again! Oh, thank you so much! Oh, thank you! You've been so generous! You and Tana, everyone else, thank you so much. Oh, thank you. I really, really appreciate it. Alright. So this is almost cooked. Thank you guys so much for the love. You guys are amazing. South Carolina has no snow. We have grilled cheese and tomato soup. Oh, that's delicious. You know what I want to have? Like lobster bisque. That's delicious. With grilled cheese. I wonder if it tastes good, you know, with that combination, you know. Can I make adobo? Yes, I can. No, are you kidding? No snow in Florida? Yeah. I remember like 41 told me. I don't know if you guys know 41. He role plays as John Archer as a cop in our pixel, but I remember him telling me like it's really really hot in Florida and there's no snow, so yeah. I'm in the Midwest time zone, so yeah. Oh my gosh, J-Card, go to bed, lovely. Go to bed. Yes, it's me, IRL. I'm so fat, Esker. Yep, I'm cooking right now. Gonna need a few minutes more, chat, and then we're gonna put on the rice. Overcooked ruin. Wow! Toddlers. I wish I could share the food to you guys. I genuinely wanna have like because Devil's apartment's pretty small. Like I have this dream of having like a party because I'm gonna tell you guys a story. I don't have much friends IRL. You know, I guess I'm not used to having a birthday because I've been like I've been I guess abandoned, like no one would attend my birthday party. It happened for about 3 years, like throughout my birthday, like no one would attend, only like 2 or 3 people, and it sort of sucks because you know, I wanted to have a party, like I would love to have like I don't know, like some sort of a cooking thing going on with my friends. Like even on my birthday, like I would love to have that, and then that doesn't happen apparently, so. But I would love to cook for you guys. I wish I could cook for you guys. I really love cooking. This is like I guess this is one of my hobbies, you know. If I can do art, then I could cook. I guess. I know I'm not that confident with my abilities, you know, like with art. Even like even cooking, but I really care and wanna perfect in this kind of thing, and I wanna make sure that, you know, whatever I do, I make someone happy with it. So that's why I love this kind of thing, you know. Hang on, give me 1 second, child. I'll just add the soy sauce. We're gonna add like 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then we got like, I don't know, a tablespoon of mirin, a tablespoon of sake. So this is gonna be like a teriyaki, like a teriyaki fried rice. So I'm gonna use this garlic. Give me 1 second, chat. So we're gonna have garlic in here. Oh up the heat a little bit on medium high. Because if you guys didn't know, wok is supposed to be like really hot. When you're cooking in a wok, it's supposed to be hot, unless if you're braising or something. If you're braising or boiling meat, you know, like there's some Chinese cultures where they use the wok to, you know, boil and make soups in a low heat. So unless if you're doing that, I mean, technically wok needs to be really hot, you know, in a really high heat. But yeah, I have you all as a, you know, at least I have you all as friends, chat. So oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Don't tell him. Don't tell him, chat. By the way, don't tell him, chat. I swear to God. Don't tell him.
I smell something burning.
I don't know. I was just cooking this on medium high heat and then it started smoking. I don't know, babe.
Check, babe.
I already put salt on it. Oh my God. Well, I can't cook fried rice apparently on this. Fuck's sake. Oh, be quiet, babe.